any WordPress website, two very important is called header tag and alt tag. So I'm using for Control U. So I'm searching for each image alt tag. Control F, searching for alt is equal to. So everything is writing for name, book your properties, and every alt tag writing for particular name is called. So your name is missing. What is the image? Check image from here. This image missing for alt tag. So how to add alt tag by particular WordPress website? Second will be each WordPress will mention by how many H1 tag? Totally one H1 tag. H1 tag using by your options. Future project, property for sale, and property for sale option. They are using for multiple H1 tags. But H1 tag will use only for one time. So using for 4 H1 tags. So that is the total based on your theme option. So how to using H1 tag? How to using by alt tag on particular website? So any website to adding for header tag and alt tag, the main reason is called for SEO purpose. Alt tag, each image we can specific one name to optimize Google search engine image sort out list. First option. Second option to using header tag is called to highlight on your website to understand by keyword research purpose. So how to we can add by your WordPress? Select your option. How to add by alt tag? Select your option is your page. Edit. What are the title? Open your image option. Click for edit. In the above corner, add your alternative text. What are the title? You can writing for alternative text. Don't use the caption. Caption is not for our one. Click for update. Click for update. So what are the image? And you can check the image size also will be here. Customize size. Click for update. And this will be next. So your further question mark will be there. Header tag. Simple. Copy. See this. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5. This is heading 2. Click for update. This will be used each information using by heading tag and alt tag. Just open the post, click for edit, update your each your options. Add your heading tag 1, heading tag 2, any dynamic. Each page the keyword will be H1 tag. So I am using for H2 or changing for H1. Select this one. Now check. Go to services. I'll check which one is there or not. Particular option call is read more. Control U. Control F. Alt is equal to. So done. This is alt tag. This one will be using for H1 tag. Each page, one H1 tag is mandated for keyword highlighting purpose for dynamic. Study will be writing for one H1 tag by your home page. So the keyword or domain name. So this is called using by header tags on your using WordPress website. Here no one is using for coding. Simple option. Just go to your headings. They will be set by your heading properly. Click for update. Is it clear? This is called you can add your alt tag and header tag option.